Hey everybody, welcome to a very windy mountaintop. I'll be honest with you guys, I have not photographed a sunset in like 6 months. I decided tonight I'm taking some time off for myself. So what I'm trying right now is the GoPro 10 with the, I don't know what you call it, the audio mod on it. And I've got the wind cover over the microphone, so I'm also giving that a try out tonight. Let me tell you, it's pretty windy up here.
Over the past few years, I've been trying to share with all of you a monsoon. Here in Arizona, we experience our monsoon during the summer months. We have a love-hate relationship with them. We love them because they drop our temperatures down 20 degrees. We hate them because of the high winds and dust storms they produce. They can also produce spectacular sunsets. Today is my first evening photography session here in Arizona since November. I've been busy. We are not in monsoon, but a storm system has just moved through the area, so I'm heading up to the top of a small mountain to try and capture what I hope will be an amazing sunset. This spot that I'm heading to is 2 miles into the wilderness and will be the highest point for miles around.
So I've been wanting to photograph this location for a very long time. I'm actually on top of a mountain peak and it is a 2-mile hike into the desert to get up here, which means I'll be going down at night for 2 miles, all the way down there and around that other mountain. So that'll be interesting. But anyhow, right now I've got another GoPro doing a time lapse of the sky behind me. That is where the action may be. We had a lot of really interesting clouds when I left for this hike, but that weather is clearing up and I can also see a storm up to the north, so that might also be an interesting photographic opportunity. So we'll have to see what pans out here tonight, but pretty much to the west, the clouds are cleared up. So it's been 11 months since I've come home from my last military mobilization, and I have been extremely busy. Every effort that I've made to try and find free time has failed because well, either Microsoft has thrown me curveballs or my clients called needing my help. So yeah, I was hoping to have about 2 months doing a lot of camping over here while we're in the beautiful, late winter and spring here in Arizona, but it just didn't happen. As a matter of fact, I am extremely busy all the way through the end of the summer, which is a good thing. So my goal right now is to not work a lot in November and December when the weather's beautiful here again, so I can share this amazing state with all of you and take the Jeep out into the desert for some overnight trips and a lot of cool photography. But anyhow, it's March 29th. I know you're seeing this in July. It's because I don't like filming here in the valley in the summer. It's hot. My cameras, my GoPros, they all overheat. They can't stay on. The drone doesn't like flying in that heat. So gotta take advantage of this beautiful weather while we have it. Well, as you watch the time lapse go, you can see the shadow of the mountain as it's moving across the valley behind me. So I'm just really not seeing a lot of photographic opportunities heading into the sun. I'm going to move my tripod more into the center of this area because I'm thinking the sunlight striking the mountains up there might be where the action's at. I could shoot this way, but that shoots in the Phoenix, and well, you guys know I really don't like cities that much. Shooting to the north is more into the wilderness. So yeah, I think I'll go ahead and reposition my camera.
Shooting to the north really wasn't all that interesting, but I did create this image that almost looks like it was painted with pastel colors. Since shooting to the north and to the west really wasn't doing anything, I decided to shoot straight into the sun and capture the golden light flowing over the mountainous desert landscape.
Well, as you can see, the last light of day is starting to fade. I had to put on an extra layer. It gets cold fast here in the desert. But anyhow, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and in the comments, let me know the places that you like to photograph. Also, if you can, consider opening your hearts and homes to a shelter animal in need. And if you can't, please donate to your local animal shelter. Take care, and I'll see you next time.